म्हजें नांव मॅन्युअल कार्दोज. आय एम द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ द ट्रेडिशनल शेक ओनर्स असोसिएशन.
आतां तुमचो शेकाचो टुरिजम सिजन स्टार्ट जायत पावला आनी सद्या पर्यंत तरी तुमकां शेका बी अलाउड करूंक ना जागो तुका कितें म्हणपाचें?
ना अजून तो शेकां अलॉट जाल्ली ना म्हणून अजून शेकांची लॉटरी बीन जाल्ली ना. पूण ह्या कामाक लागून आमी फकत ट्युरिजम डिपार्टमेंटाक आनी ट्युरिजम मिनिस्टराकूच आमी ब्लेम केल्यार जायना. दीस होल ब्लेम हॅज टू गो ऑन द शेक लॉबी वीच इज वर्किंग बिहायंड द कर्टन. ही शेकाची पॉलिसी जी आसा ती मिड सप्टेंबरान जी आसा ती एप्रूव जाल्ली मिड सप्टेंबर. बट आफ्टर मिड सप्टेंबर द लॉबी, द शेक लॉबी हॅज स्टार्टेड लॉबिंग एज पर देअर विम्स अँड फॅन्सीज. अँड बिकॉज ऑफ दॅट आनी तांकां लागून शेक ओनरांक लागूनय डिले जाल्ली आसा, डिपार्टमेंटाक लागूनय डिले जाल्ली ना. दीस हॅज हॅपन बिकॉज ऑफ द शेक ओनर्स की म्हाका ओशन जाय, म्हाका ही कॅटेगरी जाय, म्हाका ती कॅटेगरी जाय, म्हाका हांगासर हें करपाक जाय. So because of all this mess, this delay has happened, not because of the department. जे थोडे शेकवाले आहा तांकां ही कॅटेगरी जी आसा ती मानूंक ना. So I think they have challenged in the court. They have challenged in the court saying that this category should be removed. आनी हें अशें जाल्लें आसा फाटल्या 9 वर्सांक कोणाच्योच बानगडी नासल्यो ह्या शेकांक लागून. एकदम परफेक्ट शेकां चलतालीं 3 years and above. So suddenly I feel this lobby has felt threatened, saying that the newcomers are also coming. एका वर्साचे आनी 2 वर्साचे बीन आमकां कम्पीट करतले म्हणून. इफ दे आर रियली बिजनसमॅन, ते खरे शेकवाले, ते खरे बिजनसमॅन जाले तांकां कॉम्पिटिशनाक भिवपाची गरज ना. दे हॅव टू कम्पीट वीथ देम. तुमच्यान कशें सांगपाक जाता की हांकां भितर घेयनाका तांकां भितर घेयनाका म्हणून. दॅट्स कॅनॉट हॅपन. इफ यू आर सेयींग दॅट यू आर अ सिनियर, मागीर तुका सुबेज नॉलेज आसपाक जाय तितून. वाय यू आर फ्रायटन ऑफ द न्यू कमर्स? तूं 1 आनी 2 वर्सांचेर तूं कित्याक भियेता? यू कम्पीट वीथ हिम. इट इज बिकॉज यू डोंट वॉन्ट टू कम्पीट अँड यू वॉन्ट टू मेंटेन द मोनोपोली ऑन द बीच. म्हाकाच शेक मेळपाक जाय म्हणून दीस हॅज क्रिएटेड अ लॉट ऑफ मॅस इन द शेक पॉलिसी.
पूण हें सगळें हेजें आयज पाड घातला न्हू हे सरकारी मनीस आहाय तितून आनी पॉलिटिशियन्स, बिकॉज दे हॅव सम वेस्टेड इंट्रस्ट इन दॅट. That is the reason why it is not happening. Now, Goa is known for a tourism season which basically starts from September onwards. September jalo, ata October is coming to an end. Today is October 25. Tourists are coming over here. Now foreigners are also seen on the streets over here. Now if they want to enjoy on the beach, what is there for them? Are they just going to lie down and this one? Because they are coming here for the sun, sea, to enjoy over here. But if the main attraction of of the Goan beaches, which is called Beach Shack, if that is not there, I mean, how you are going to make Goa attractive? Because these tourists who are coming and visiting over here, they will say, nothing is in place. So you are jeopardizing their holidays. They spend thousands of rupees to come over here. They are to make the holidays the best. But when they come and visit over here, nothing is in place. You are depriving them also, and you are depriving the locals, because the economy has to run on the basis of the tourism economy runs on the basis of beach shacks. Beach shacks contribute employment also. Now when these politicians are creating a confusion as well as some vested interests who are there, that is very wrong for the Goa tourism. So that should not happen. Now if you look at this one, every weekend over here there is a rush over here. Now Kalangot is known for a beach tourism, plus there is a discos and a good number of restaurants are over here. But people also spend most of their time on the beaches, and this absence of the beach shack is causing a lot of hindrance or progress for the mankind who are living in these villages. So that should not happen. So government should expedite these beach shack licenses as fast as possible, and let people progress. Because people don't have jobs. And these are basically, beach shacks are basically for the unemployed. And the beach shack policy itself says that this is a seasonal occupation. So therefore, it should begin in time so that people also start making a living. That's it.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.